Wow.
My wife's name out your fucking
Taylor, I'm really happy for you. I'm gonna let you finish. But Beyonce had one of the best videos of all time.
No matter how much fame or money you have, live television has a way of stripping away the polish. Sometimes it's rage. Sometimes it's pure secondhand embarrassment. These are the moments celebrities completely lost it. Right in front of the cameras. Right in front of each other. It's one of the most infamous moments in award show history. Taylor Swift had just won her first VMA, and before she could even finish thanking her fans, Kanye West grabbed the mic right out of her hand.
Music, so thank you so much for giving me a chance to win a VMA award.
Yo, Taylor, I'm really happy for you. I'm gonna let you finish. But Beyonce had one of the best videos of all time. One of the best videos of all time.
The backlash was instant, but it wouldn't be the last time Kanye couldn't let another artist have their moment. 6 years later, he did it again, this time at the Grammys, walking on stage as Beck accepted Album of the Year.
Like books and Black Lives, albums still matter. Tonight and always. And the winner is Morning Phase, Beck.
I need some help. Come back.
But nothing compares to the night an Oscars joke turned into a real physical confrontation. In 2022, Chris Rock made a joke about Jada Pinkett Smith on the biggest stage in Hollywood. Will Smith didn't laugh.
That was a nice one. Okay. I'm out here. Richard. Oh, wow. Wow. Will Smith just smacked the shit out of me.
Keep my wife's name out your fucking mouth.
Wow, dude.
Yes.
It was a G.I. Jane joke.
Keep my wife's name out your fucking mouth.
I'm going to, okay? Okay.
And our superstars were super passionate from the get-go.
What is going on with you, Miss Minaj?
Oh, nothing. Would it be frightfully tiresome if somebody brought me some ice?
I think it was just, I'm sorry to cut out. Who's supposed to go, darling?
Oh, we're going to jump in.
I
didn't know.
I appoint you.
Okay.
Yeah,
thank you, darling. I've been appointed. Okay.
And when the cameras aren't rolling for TV, sometimes a phone catches what really happens backstage. Leaked hotel security footage from 2014 showed Solange Knowles physically attacking Jay-Z in an elevator after the Met Gala, while Beyonce stood inches away.
See you later, Rihanna.
What did you say? Solange.
Not every feud ends in a fight, though. Sometimes it gets settled live, on camera, for everyone to see. After a public Twitter feud, Kanye West sat down face-to-face with Jimmy Kimmel to hash it out, live, on air.
My guest tonight is a 21-time Grammy Award-winning performer who last month threatened his very existence by insulting one of America's most beloved television personalities. We had a big dumb fight on Twitter, but he was nice enough to agree to come and talk about it tonight. Please welcome Kanye West.
Not every meltdown is about anger. Sometimes it's just pure, unfiltered comedic chaos. Ricky Gervais has hosted the Golden Globes multiple times, and every time he's made A-listers squirm in their seats.
Bang.
Gordon Ramsay doesn't need an award show to roast a celebrity, though. Gordon Ramsay built a career on brutal honesty, and other celebrities have been on the receiving end more than once.
Bottom, crispy as fuck, and it looks like Gandhi's flip-flop. What a shame.
I don't know where
where he comes up with this stuff. Gandhi didn't even wear flip-flops. He lived in the jungle. I don't even think the dude had shoes.
Look at it underneath. That's still raw.
Joan Rivers took a similar approach, just with a lot more sequins. Joan Rivers turned roasting celebrities' outfits into a full-blown TV franchise, and stars didn't always take it well.
Jackie Onassis, the smartest woman in the world. She married that little old pig. Every woman... She married a guy who was this big. He used to walk around, the knuckles hit the ground. And wasn't she smart? When he dropped dead, he left her $158 million. I hit the sack so fast for that. Griffin. You know what you are, darling? You are a thief. Yes, you stole my act. You stole my gaze, and you stole the face of the Burger King. I am not happy with this.
How's the trip over?
The trip over was amazing. I came over. I'm into charity. Unlike you two, that just are self-centered. I am a very giving bitch. So...
Even something as lighthearted as carpool sing-along can turn into a full-blown reaction moment. James Corden's carpool karaoke has caught more than a few stars completely losing composure for entirely different reasons. Then there's Kathy Griffin, who's made an entire career out of saying what everyone else is thinking. Kathy Griffin has roasted nearly everyone in Hollywood, live, unscripted, and to their face.
And you know, Elon Musk is crazy too, so don't be like falling into that cult. Elon Musk. That guy's nuts.
All right, you're investigating.
I'm pissing off everybody. I'm naming names. I'm telling tales out of school. There are going to be a lot of people that aren't going to be talking to any of us tomorrow. Here's the thing. I know I'm negative, all right? People talk about positive energy. I'd like to be positive. I just don't have time. I really don't. I'm very busy being negative all day. I am booked. So, all right, I'm going after everybody. I'm going after Paltrow. Fuck her. Fuck her. Sick of it. I'm sick of it. I'm a nervous wreck. I'm fighting the butt crack sweat
In
right
2015, Nicki Minaj won Best Hip Hop Video and used her speech to call out Miley Cyrus directly in front of the entire audience.
Hey guys, how are you? Where are my pretty girls at? Make some noise. Where are my dudes at that's getting their own money? Make some noise. Where are my girls that's getting their own money? Don't you be out here depending on these little snotty-nosed boys either. No.
Well, I want to thank my beautiful fans. I love you so much. And now, back to this bitch that had a lot to say about me the other day in the press. Miley, what's good?
Hey, we're all in this industry. We all do interviews, and we all know how they manipulate. Nikki, congratulations. Doesn't mean that the voting is done.
That wasn't the first time a live broadcast turned physical either. Sports TV has its own history of stars snapping. Back in 1994, NFL quarterback Jim Everett had enough of sportscaster Jim Rome's needling and shoved him live mid-interview.
How many sacks? Well, see, but this was back in 1989.
Okay, that was about
you may have even been Jim Everett back there, but somewhere along the way, Jim, you ceased being Jim and you became Chris.
Well, let me tell you a little secret. That, you know, we're sitting here right now, and if you guys want to take a station break, you can. But if you call me Chris Everett to my face one more time...
I already did it twice.
If you call it one more time, we better take a station break.
Well, it's a 5-minute segment, or 5-segment show. We got a long way to go.
Well, we do.
We got a long way to go.
We do.
I'll get a couple segments out of you before.
Well, it's good to be here with you, though.
Well, it's good to see you, too.
Because you've been talking like this behind my back for a long time.
But now I said it right here.
Right, exactly.
Well, we got no problem with that.
I think that you probably won't say it again.
I bet I do.
Okay.
Chris?
Award shows have hosted plenty of blunt moments too. Some are meant as jokes. At the 2004 Q Awards, Elton John used his own acceptance speech to take a direct shot at Madonna's live performances.
Madonna, best fucking live act. Fuck off. Since when has lip syncing been live? Sorry about that, but I think everyone who lip syncs in public on stage when you pay like 75 quid to see them should be shot. Thank you very much.
Not every onstage disaster is personal, though. Sometimes, the chaos is just a total mix-up. In one of the most chaotic moments in Oscars history, Warren Beatty and Faye Dunaway announced the wrong Best Picture winner live on stage.
I love you so much. To my family, maman, papa, Jeff, hommage, je vous adore. Matt Pluff, you kicked this off. And Damien Chazelle, we're standing on your shoulders. We lost, by the way, but, you know.
Guys, I'm sorry. No, there's a mistake. Moonlight, you guys won Best Picture.
Moonlight won. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. I'm afraid they read the wrong thing.
This is not a joke. Moonlight has won Best Picture. Moonlight, Best Picture.
I think you guys should keep it anyway. Oh, it's Warren. I'm sorry. Guys, this is very unfortunate what happened. Personally, I blame Steve Harvey for this. I would like to see you get an Oscar anyway. Why can't we just give out a whole bunch of them?
I'm going to be really proud to hand this to my friends from Moonlight.
That's nice of you. That's very nice.
And when it comes to pure unfiltered reactions, no one does it better than a game show host watching a celebrity guest completely miss the point. Steve Harvey has built an entire comedic legacy around his reactions to celebrities' answers on Celebrity Family Feud.